who are watching YouTube. Let's see. Today I am the king. Today me and my brothers are the king of the Burger King. Burger King. Let's go. We ordered a burger combo with burgers, 3 burgers, Coca-Cola and French fries. My brothers are excited. Yo, this is very better. Burgers with everything. Wow. Also Coca-Cola too. With the pack. Sharing is caring. There is only one glass, but we are going to share. All of us, my father's brother's family is here, and I am doing this. This is going to be fun. This is very fun. No, let's look at this. Do you know my brother is going to dance? Let's see.
I'm
Now,
the biggest girl in the world.
You're the biggest guy?
Yeah.
Oh, we are going to eat the burger. The burger will be arriving in like 10 to 12 minutes. Let's wait for that. We can wait for that. I am wearing my Crocs, which is little muddy, but I am adjusting this. We are very excited to do.
But I am so ashamed to show my Crocs.
Why, bro?
Everybody will laugh at everybody.
What kind of joke is my brother saying? Very big joke. Wow. I am appreciating you very much that we are eating burger. Burgers are better if you go burger. Burgers are better if you eat that. This is the eating time of my world. I am sitting here very high. It's very easy, but for grown-ups it's very hard. Behind me is the mosquito killer. It will attract mosquito and it will kill the mosquitoes.
So any mosquitoes will not
come near that. It will be there will be little lightning sound like this. Like that. I made a sound like that. Let's look. Bro, what are you doing? Oh, this is better. Look, we have the crazy things. Look.
And we are
very happy.
We have free crowns.
Look, we can get from the counter of the Burger King. It is very awesome. Today, we can get from the seats or if we are not getting, we can ask the people there at the counter. Let's go. Our burger is arrived. Our 3 burgers are arrived. Yes. Let's go. Yeah. Bro, we are going to eat food.
It's very
Spicy.
His taste bud fall down.
Why is my brother doing this? Are you very crazy?
I am going to bite.
Oh, you can bite. Very good. Look, it's very yummy. Look. Let's check how I am eating. Wait for like some minutes. I will show the finishing. Now I am very hungry. But I am yummy. Wait for a minute. Bye.